Hey, it's Sunday afternoon here in Thailand. Um, Looking at gold and silver, same idea. I think that longer term, these markets are going down. They certainly have been recently. I was completely fooled by the jump up in silver and gold on Wednesday. I have to admit, didn't see that coming at all. But of course, that was erased pretty quickly on Thursday and Friday. I think the overall bias for silver and gold is to the downside, as you know, with higher interest rates and higher inflation. Um, so I've got some sell levels on the gold and silver spot price on the reports on the trade idea sheet. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I've got some resistance levels there. You know, the US dollar does seem to be continuing its bull trend even after that blip on Wednesday, unexpected blip on Wednesday. Dollar yen. I'm not sure what's going on with that one, but it certainly doesn't want to come down. There is no sell signal. This could be another little buy flag, which we've just jumped above the upper trend line of that bull flag. So if anything, pretty positive. There's certainly no reason to sell this, in my opinion. Let's see, that would be the top of the bull flag there. And we could have just broken above that, of course. And as you can see from that trend line, we would need to get through the high of 131.24 for the next buy signal, but we may even just have a buy signal on the break above that trend line. We've got support around 129.90. What have I got? I've got 129.00, 128.80, which is a little bit further down. But as long as we stay above sort of what did I say? 129, sort of 80, 70, then we should be, the bulls should be remain in control. Okay, Euro US dollar sideways. Where are we now? Euro US dollar. Sideways, I see this as a consolidation, maybe even some sort of bear flag. I don't know why we found good support down where we have found it. Where is that? Sort of the low, the 104.70, 109.90, 104.90, 104.70 area seems to be holding, and I can't find a reason. I can't see a reason on my charts for that to be such a good support level, but it's certainly holding, which means we start breaking below sort of 104.60, 104.50. That should be the next sell signal. I don't see any buy signals here. We're very oversold, but look, we've been oversold since, what's that date now? That is the sort of first week of April. So we've been oversold for a month, and that hasn't triggered any decent recovery at all in the euro versus US dollar. Very, very much a situation of dollar strength at the moment. What else can we talk about? Stock markets. The S&P and the Dow Jones have hit very important support levels. To me, in the S&P at least, it's the neckline to a head and shoulders pattern. So it's bounced off there, not wildly bounced off there, but there is scope for further recovery, perhaps, obviously, as long as that level holds. And I've got that in the S&P, in the E-mini S&P, down at 40, 30, 40, 10. Where did we get to in the cash market on Friday? The low was 40.67. So we didn't quite get there, but we'd certainly bounced off. And look, this could actually be a little double bottom pattern here. And, it's not like me to get bullish on stock markets at the moment, but I am seeing an indication that we could see a recovery. Anyway, you've got the analysis, you've got all the levels in the analysis. Same with the Dow Jones. We've hit a really good support level, bang on it actually, 32,400, 32,300, bounced off it. So there is scope for a recovery. NASDAQ is slightly confusing because NASDAQ closed below a very important support level. So that looks like it's going down. I don't know which one will drag. Maybe the S&P and Dow Jones will recover and drag the Nasdaq back up through that level, and everything will be all right. But the Nasdaq is definitely lagging. Technology is taking a proper walloping because it just got so ridiculously overpriced. And I know that some of the stocks in that Nasdaq are down 50% already. Okay, longer term, I do think the stock markets are going down, but we could see a little bit of recovery, certainly at the beginning of the week. CPI, Consumer Price Index, out of the US on Wednesday is going to be very important. PPI, the Producer Price Index, out of the US on Thursday will be less important, but obviously everyone will be watching these inflation numbers very carefully. That's it. Join me again on Tuesday morning. Thanks very much.